All right, now we're going to go to the settings tab from the Twixo wishlist. And as you can see here, we have two tabs, so the store details and the customized layout. Firstly, let's go through the store details. So what can you do? First of all, you need to set up your store logo. And this will be used in email notifications when you're sharing your wish list. So it's really simple. Just make sure to drag and drop your file in there, your store logo, and we accept JPEG or PNG, so it should be pretty simple. I'll give you an example. I'll just drag the Twixo logo in and it should just show up like that. And this will also show up in the future emails you send. Next, you're gonna need to configure your email settings. So choose choose the name you want to show up in the email, and preferably, I think most of you guys would go your store name, but it doesn't have to be. It's completely up to you and completely personalized. And finally, you also will need to create a empty wishlist message. So for example, here we've put your wishlist is empty, start adding items, create your dream collection. Now again, this is completely up to you, and you can do whatever message you want that you think would bring in your customers. And finally, when you're done with all these, you can just click save changes, and this will show up in your future emails. All right, now let's move on to the customized layout. So this is where you can tailor your wishlist's appearance to your store, and you can choose for it to be however you want. We've made it as fully customizable as we can. So first of all, you can choose where to display and allow your customers to access the wish list. So you can either choose the nav bar, which will show up on the right here, as you can see in the preview, or you can choose my account, and it will show up here under the accounts on the left. You can do both if you want. This is completely up to you. Next, we'd like to know how you want your wish list to be displayed. So it can either be with an icon, which is already selected here, so it'll come up as a little wish list heart, or you can do it with text, and you can choose what you want to write here for the text. Next, you can also choose if you want to show your customers how many numbers of wish lists have been created for this particular product. But if you don't want to, then just opt out, and yeah, it's completely up to you. Next is crafting your wishlist button. So we've come up with 5 designs that you can choose from, as you can see here, and pick your own color. It's just we have a bunch of different color options here. One that's probably suitable with your brand. And again, you can choose your text color button, and you can name it whatever you want. It doesn't have to say add to wish list. It can be personalized and whatever fits best with your branding. And once this is done, you can click save changes, and it should immediately show up on your store here, as you can see in the preview. Now, why do we offer a fully customizable wishlist feature? Well, by doing this, you can enhance your customer engagement, allow customers to personalize their shopping experience and easily save their favorite items. This will also boost your brand consistency, as I've mentioned before. Ensure that all your wishlist features are seamlessly integrated with your store's overall design aesthetic. And finally, you will empower informed decisions to your customers. You'll provide them with a valuable tool to organize and share their product preferences.